Hello, in this video I want to show you how to export AutoCAD file to Revit, and this is a drawing sent to me that was drawn in AutoCAD, so I want to export it to Revit now. And as you can see, I've already deleted those things that are not necessary that I'm not going to use. For instance, the dimension lines, I've deleted all of them because I am not going to need all of them. Now that I've cleared everything, I only need this ground floor for now. Now that it's left with only the floor plan, I only want to copy this to a new file. And the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to highlight it, then type WB, and this W block will come up. I'll click on it, then I'm going to select the folder I want to save it in. This is the folder. I will give it a name. Let's say, give it ground floor plan plan 1B. So that is the name, and hit save. Click OK, and it's going to load this. Now it has saved it to a new file now. Okay, so I want to bring in that file now. Now I am on the level 1. I am going to go to insert, then I'll click on import card. It will take me to that folder, then I will look for that file. This is it here. Then I am going to set this import unit to millimeter, then level 1 is okay. I'm going to use manual center and click open. Okay, so you can see this is it here. So I will click here to drop it now. You can see this is it here. So it's just a question of tracing it with wall. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you benefited something from this.